Hey friends, welcome to a super fun ocean adventure. Today, we are going to play a shadow matching game with some amazing sea animal toys. Are you ready to test your eyes and see if you can guess which toy belongs to which shadow? Let's dive in. Here's our first shadow. Look closely at its shape. It has a long body, a big fin on its back, and a powerful tail. What could it be? Is it a whale? A dolphin? Let's see. It's a dolphin. Wow! Look at this friendly dolphin toy. You got it. Let's try another one. Okay, what's this next shadow? It's very big and has a huge tail. It looks like it could be the biggest animal in the ocean. Do you have a guess? Let's reveal the toy. It's a whale! This magnificent whale toy is so cool. Great job matching that one. Here comes our third mystery shadow. Ooh, this one looks a little toothy. It has a pointy fin on its back and a very famous shape. I bet you know this one. Is it a shark? Yes, it is. It's a shark toy. Don't worry. This one is friendly. Look at that great white shark. Now for our next challenge. This shadow has a big, hard shell on its back and 4 flippers to swim through the water. What kind of animal has a shell like that? Let's find out. It's a sea turtle. This beautiful sea turtle toy looks just like the real thing. You guys are shadow matching experts. Let's see what's next. This shadow is very round and has lots of long, wiggly arms. How many can you count? 1, 2, 3. There are a lot. What could it be? It's an octopus. Look at all 8 tentacles on this awesome octopus toy. Amazing! Time for another shadow. This one looks soft and floaty, with long, trailing tentacles. It drifts in the ocean currents. Do you have an idea? Let's see the toy. It's a jellyfish. This colorful jellyfish toy is so pretty, but we know to look and not touch in the real ocean. Here's a tricky one. This shadow has a very unique shape, with a head that looks like a horse and a curly tail. What in the ocean looks like that? It's a seahorse. What a cute little seahorse toy. It uses its tail to hold onto seaweed. Fantastic guessing. Okay, look at this shadow. It has 5 arms spreading out from the center. It looks like something you'd see in the night sky, but this one lives in the sea. What could it be? A starfish. That's right. This bright starfish toy is a perfect match. Let's keep going. This shadow has a wide body and 2 big claws in the front. It also walks sideways. Can you guess what it is? Let's reveal the answer. It's a crab. Look at this red crab toy with its big pincers. Snip, snip. You're doing great. Here's a similar one, but a bit different. This shadow also has claws and a long tail. It looks a little like a crab, but its body is longer. What do you think? It's a lobster. This lobster toy has a big, fan-like tail. Excellent work! What about this small, oval-shaped shadow with fins? This fish is very famous from movies. It's known for its bright colors. Any guesses? It's a clownfish. Just like Nemo. This little clownfish toy is so adorable. You found it. Next up, a flat shadow that looks like it's gliding through the water. It has a long, thin tail. What could this be? Let's find out. It's a stingray. Look how the stingray toy gracefully matches the shadow. Beautiful. Here's a big one again. This shadow is black and white, has a fin on its back, and is known as a killer whale. Do you know its other name? It's an orca. This powerful orca toy looks just like the real ocean giant. You're a pro. Almost done. This shadow shows a sleek animal with flippers, perfect for swimming and playing. It loves to bark and lie on the rocks. What could it be? It's a seal! This cute seal toy is ready for some fun. Great job! And for our final shadow, this animal stands up tall, waddles when it walks, and loves the cold. It's a bird that swims. Can you guess? It's a penguin. What an adorable penguin toy to finish our game. You did an absolutely amazing job matching all the ocean animal toys to their shadows. You learned about dolphins, whales, sharks, and so many more. If you had fun playing with us, make sure to subscribe for more fun learning videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.